In the midst of chaos, I lift up my eyes, hoping for the dawn where the silence will rise. Every day I'm fighting, but I hold on tight to the dream of peace shining bright in the night. And as we gather, hearts beating as one, we'll sing for the battles, we pray for them done. We're calling for the end, let the freedom reign, bringing hope to the broken, healing all the pain. We climbed every mountain, we've crossed every sea. Now we stand together, let our spirits be free. Every heart that's shattered, we mend with our song. With a voice united, we'll be standing strong. The weight of the world will lift it up high to the skies above, where our dreams learn to fly. For love we lost, we vow to restore. With every note we play, we're praying for more. We're calling for the end, let the freedom reign, bringing hope to the broken, healing all the pain. We climbed every mountain, we crossed every sea. Now we stand together, let our spirits be free. We'll rise above the ashes, we'll follow the light. With every step forward, we'll win this fight. Together we are stronger, together no peace. Let's heal this land. We're calling for the end, let freedom reign, bringing hope to the broken, healing all the pain. We climbed every mountain, we crossed every sea. Now we stand together, let our spirits be free.